Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Dwani Patel and I just hope you all are having a great festive month. In this video we will be making a Diwali special floating Rangoli. So let's enjoy making it.
So here I have used square shaped bowl. You can use any vessel of your choice. Now spreading shank jeera powder or talcum powder with the help of strainer on the surface. Making outline for Rangoli. Applying background color.
If you are new here, then please do remember to like, share and subscribe. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. Thank you.